Every time she tells a story, it's like my mom's the one who won the spelling bee.
Vee Friends, meet me in the VeeDome.
Grizzly, look! I aced my exam! Now I'm an official expert in trunkery.
Congratulations! I bet you're really proud!
We are! Because he couldn't have done it without me, right, buddy?
You helped me study, but
Maybe you can show us more of those amazing expert in trunkery skills!
I'd love to.
I taught him that. Yeah, I taught him that too.
Three-pointer? Way to go, Empathy Elephant!
Step back, slay all the way. I taught him everything he knows. I wonder what we're doing here. Must be so you can show off all those rad trunk skills I taught you.
In the VeeDome, the challenge brings the change. Today's challenge, knock your opponent off the tightrope into the pit. Begin!
Oh, I get it. I'm here to get you dialed in, like I always do. Good shot, just like I taught you, Empy, my friend.
Dialed in, dog. I feel...
Super psyched I'm in your corner, right? Whoa! Isn't my friend amazing? I taught him everything he knows.
Please, stop saying that now!
Sorry, Empy. I mean, you are the one with the skills. You just learned them from me. Yes, Empy. So glad I showed you that trunk trick.
Ow! You don't even have a trunk! Please, stop!
Didn't see that coming.
The winner, Empathy Elephant, helped by his impressive coach, Dialed In Dog.
What?
No! Empathy Elephant won on his own.
I did? I mean, I did. But you think I did?
Yeah, and I'm sorry I took all the credit. But you did the work. You earned the win and the expert in trunkery.
Thanks, Dialed In Dog.
Applause for today's real champion, Empathy Elephant!